Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb, and in this video, you're going to learn how to enable S3 bucket versioning and recover a deleted S3 object in AWS. Let's get into it. Let's start by navigating to the S3 service, then click on Create Bucket and give your bucket a name. Select an AWS region, then enable bucket versioning.
Giddy up!
I'm going to leave all the other settings to their default values, then click on Create Bucket. Next, let's go inside our newly created bucket and upload a text file called not.txt.
Attention!
This file contains one line which says, "This is my first note." Let's close the upload window and go back to our file to confirm that it was uploaded successfully.
Yee-haw!
Now I'm going to modify my not.txt file and change the line to "This is my second note," then re-upload this file so S3 creates a second version of the same file.
Keep your formation!
Let's finish uploading the second version. Then go back to your object and open it to confirm that our change was successful. Next, I'm going to delete my not.txt file so we can see how to recover it later.
That's what I'm talking about!
Even though S3 says you don't have any objects in this bucket, since we did enable versioning, you can see the previous versions of not.txt file by clicking on Show Versions. To view the contents of an older version, click on the file, then hit Open. Now say you wanted to recover the second version of not.txt file. To do that, all you have to do is delete the delete marker. Now if you disable Show Versions, you should see the second version of not.txt available in this bucket. Alternatively, you can click on Show Versions and manually download a previous version and re-upload it. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.